welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a dance tutorial on Boyfriend by Selena Gomez. So let's get started. This video is going to be flipped for your convenience and educational purposes. So you're going to start with your legs together, left foot is popped. You can actually sink into that right hip. And I always tell everyone to cross your knee over like you're going to the bathroom. You have to pee, because that's ladylike. So you're going to start here, and you're going to walk forward with your left foot on 7, 8. So that's a pivot, 8. You're going to take that around 1, 2. Placing that knee, hand on your knee. 1, 2. Down 3, 4, back 5, 6, forward 7, 8. From here you're going to go 1 and 2, 3, hit 4, 5 and 6, move it 7 and 8 and 1. That comes up on 1, hit 2. So let's try that again. From the floor, we're down on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1 and 2, 3, hit 4, 5, you sit 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, so that's on 2. Moving on, you go 3, 4. You drop your head down on 5. Lift it up on 6. Drag it in. Walk it 7, 8. Sink 1, 2, 3, 4. As you're doing that, your head's going to turn to the left. So when you're here, you sink 1, 2, 3, 4. As you're here, it starts, the counts are weird. It starts back up on 1 again. 2, 3, 4. You're going to hit 1 and 2. Back 3. Back 3. Ball change and 4. Going 5 and 6. Ball change 7. Drop it 8. So let's go again from here. 1, 2, you're going 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Moving on from here, you're going to go a 1 and 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and 6, ball change a 7, drop it 8. You're going to step a 1, 2, 3, 4 to move 5, move 6, ball change a 7, 8, and from here, moving on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. From there, as you're coming at 5, 6, 7, 8, you go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to move 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to start 1 and 2 and a 3 and. You're going to go look right, 1 and step 2 and a 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and 5, 6. I wanna. And that's the end. So let's review that. Let's go back from here. We're here on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Drop it 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move it forward. Move it back. Ball change. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 5 and a 6 and 1 and 2 and a 3 and 5, 6. I wanna. And that's the end. Thanks for dancing with me. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications to see more videos just like this one. I'll see you in the next video.